Hi everyone, it's Allie. Welcome back to my channel. Today I have 3 Dreamer Designs paintings for you, and my daughter is going to help me unbox those. I try to make this as clear as I can, so hopefully you'll be able to see everything. But the first painting that I'm going to show you is Jasmine, and this is a 40 by 60 centimeter painting. It has square diamonds with 47 colors. It does include 2 ABs. It is such a beautiful painting. These came in their box inside of another box, so you can keep their box, and it has that picture that I showed you on it. They came perfect. They were pretty fast shipping. They also come in that little bag there, so if you didn't want to keep the box, you can keep them in the bag, which I think is really nice. And it has their little logo on everything. You get 2 trays, you get 2 pens, you get 2 waxes, you get the tweezers, the little squishies, and you get 2 placers. And I think their placers are a 3 and a 6 placer. And then you also get a nice little brochure in there of all their social media. They have a really nice Facebook group, and they do all sorts of things like bingo and like, I don't know what they call them, drill alongs, stuff like that. I haven't joined any yet, just because I was waiting on my paintings and I'm just not working on one yet. But very nice groups out there, and their drills are absolutely beautiful. Their canvases are clear. They've got the legend on both sides. They also include a legend for you as a sticker. So I really like that. I add that to my journal page, and I also, on the box, you can get that sticker off if you can grab an end of it. I just use my nails, but I'm sure you can use like maybe the little tweezers just to get an edge up. But I was able to get all of the stickers off of the box and use those in my journal as well. So I was excited about that. But there are bright colors on there. It's just beautiful. I can't wait to start on her. I love that they have their little logo at the bottom, Paint with Passion. And I was very, very happy with my painting. Now, Dreamer also has a rewards program on there if anyone is interested in that. And I don't know if you can see that real clear. I tried to show you the drill field, but like I said, it's absolutely clear. You'll be fine with that. I always use a light pad, whether it's clear or not, just because my eyes aren't that good. So that tends to help me. But so I had ordered like 3 paintings from Dreamer, and I did not get those in the mail. And then I had ended up ordering like 3 more. And it was funny because I got a shipping notice on those like right away. And so I contacted the company, and they were very, very fast at getting back to me. And I just asked them why I had ordered stuff at the beginning of April. And then I ordered stuff at pretty much the end of April. And I had already got a shipping notice, and it came so fast. But I didn't get my first order. So they looked into it for me, and one of the paintings that I had ordered, the Winter Cabin, was sold out. So she told me that's why they haven't sent the order. So, I don't know how I feel about that. I told her, well, it wasn't sold out when I ordered it, and, no one ever called me or sent me an email or anything like that. Now, I think their paintings are beautiful. She was very quick to respond, very sweet. She asked me, what they could do to, make me happy with the order. And I really liked that painting, so I still did want it. Or, I could have refunded it. So I told her that I would like my other 2 paintings, but if they can hold on to to that order, and just send it out to me when they restock it. So that is what I did. And again, they sent my other 2, and it was so fast. So I'm just waiting on the one that had sold out. I'm going to extend grace. I'm not going to get mad or upset. I would have loved an email, just say, hey, we sold out of your painting, we're sorry, something like that. So I had to be a little bit more proactive on that, but it's fine. I will wait. It's not like I'm going to work on it tomorrow. So I was happy with the resolution. But because the order is not like, they didn't take the order apart, it shows now like it's fulfilled. So I am going to keep an eye on that just to make sure when that the winter cabin comes back into stock, that they don't forget about me. So, but anyway, so this next painting here, I just love. Fall and Halloween is one of my favorite times. And I caught sight of this painting and I just fell in love with it. I have 5 cats myself. One of them is a black cat. And before you judge me, I did have 2 cats, but we fostered kittens for a while. So I have 3 kids, so we ended up keeping 3 more. And they have a good loving home now, so that is how we ended up with so many. But because I was talking, I did not tell you about the previous painting. So that was called Pumpkin Pals. And let me give you the information on that one. I am looking it up here. Sorry about that. Okay, so that one was a 50 by 40. It had 54 colors, including 3 ABs. And that was by Jane, it looks like Mayday. And then this next one that I'm going to be showing you is called Flamingo Falls. And, and Pumpkin Pals is also a round. So that would be really, really fun to start on. And then, okay, so the one she has now is Flamingo Falls, and I just fell in love with all those bright colors. I love anything that includes water. The flamingo for me can come or go. I just love the background of it. But this is a 50 by 40 centimeters. It is a square, 36 colors, including 2 ABs. And again, on each of these, you get the sticker legend. You have those 2 legends on the side. You have the thumbnail, their logo. You get 3 toolkits since I ordered 3 paintings. And yeah, I mean, I don't have anything negative to say. They are just absolutely gorgeous. I love all the pretty bright colors. All their drills are beautiful. I didn't see any trash in them. If you would like me to actually go through the drills, or give you, the DMC codes, I can do that. I'm a person who tends to watch a video and I kind of like speed over the drills. I don't need that in-depth of a look. If I'm really that interested, I'll go to the website and, check out the drills there. But if you would like me to show the drills better, or, you know, anything like that, please let me know. Those were the ABs. And they're going to be so pretty on there. So that was my 3 paintings from them. I did get the other 2 in, so I will show you those at a later date. I might wait to get the extra painting that I'm still due for that order, and then just show you those 3 as well. So I'm just going to finish up here, and I just want to thank you for joining me. I was just pointing out where some of the ABs were going to go, and we will see you in the next video. Bye, everyone.